Alright, it's Little Scott testing the baffles here. Get a sound check. Just real quick. We're going to start it up and get a sound check on these zombie baffles without, I repeat, without the torque cones. Just quickly, before the mosquitoes come in here and tear me up. Here we go. All right. Yeah, it's hitting too hard. We're gonna have to adjust. Okay. Yeah, I mean the garage door. So that was the zombie baffles, no torque cones. Now I'm about to take the end caps off. I've already installed the torque cones here. And here they go. This is one. I'll just show you this picture. This is the back side of the torque cone. And you can see it's got the torque cone in it, the Z. And then from the front, it'll go like that. On the back, you'll see it. Okay. All right, so let's get going. I'm gonna do this left side first since I'm already over here. I'm just gonna put that right there. All right. Come back when I'm done. Go on the left side first.